did my makeup today at 10 something this morning, okay? It is 7:24. I put my makeup on for 9 hours now. And like, do you guys see? No, absolutely no touch-ups. I kid you not. No touch-ups, no setting spray, I shit you not. No nothing. Look at my mask. Y'all, look at my mask. Alright y'all, so jumping right into this video, you want to start off with a freshly washed face, or if you're not really into that, then you know, whatever. So what I'm actually going to start off with is a serum just to moisturize my face, because this foundation routine or this get ready with me is going to be very mattifying. You want to make sure that your face is moisturized so that your oils kind of sort of have something to rely on instead of just the makeup. So this is the Ordinary's Alpha Arbutin or whatever. It's like so good for my face, so that's why I use it, and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys have seen this hack, but this is no funny shit because of Jackie Aina. Like, Jackie has been doing this for years before the girls started doing it, okay? So what you do is you get a damp beauty blender. I'm gonna use my mattifying spray to spray to get my beauty blender ready. I'm going to take my skimp ass beauty blender. I don't know why she's not waking up right now. I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, and I'm also gonna go in using my translucent powder by Mercier, and I'm just going to set my face with that before I go on with my foundation, my concealer, before I go on starting my routine. And what this does is that this stops all the oils from seeping through your makeup, causing it to transfer and things like that, because we all hate cakey, oily looking makeup, and nobody wants that, okay? Especially because it's hot as fuck, okay? So you want to just focus on your main pinpoints. Mine is under my eyes as well as my nose and even my chin. I realized that my chin likes to get oily, so I'm just going to focus my oils there. The foundation that I'm going to use today is my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is one of my go-to babies. So now that we're done putting our foundation on, which took me for fucking ever, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, because all of the products that we're using are drying because we have really oily skin, we need to work fast because your oils are not there to seep through to give you that room to blend easily and effortlessly. So what we have to do is we gotta work fast, but you gotta work smart as well. So what I like to do is I like to use the tip of this applicator, and I just like to lay it on the under part of my eye and then just create this little like line shape like so. And that's literally all you need, okay? That's all you need. I'm just gonna let it dry for
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
My contour off. So what I like to do is I like to go and use my black Radiance palette. The motherfucking pan has been hit. It's finished. I like to use the contour color, the really dark color, and I just like to go in and start off by chiseling my face out like so. Now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the color Mocha Mami, and I'm just gonna set that cream contour with the powder. And literally my face looks like it is already set and done, but it ain't. She really ain't. It's just the underlayer of the powder really goes a long way. As I always say, I do not bake. I just like to set my main pinpoints of where I concealed. So I'm just gonna go in using some powder, and I'm just gonna press that in under my eye. Just all the main points that I conceal, just so that I have an extra protection of layer from any freaking creasing, any oils being disrespectful, and all of that tea. Alright, y'all, so now that my face has set, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my powder brush. I don't know, I feel like this is a blush brush, but I'm just gonna use this really big fluffy brush and dust off all that excess powder. Alright, y'all, so now that I am done with my face, I've done all the, you know, special ingredients. I'm gonna go in using my baby, my matte Finish Fini matte, to give me a more natural, calmer, and subtle look. Alrighty, and as y'all can see, we're looking a little dewy when we're actually matte, okay? And just like that, we have our transfer-free, transfer-proof, mask-proof, summertime outside-proof makeup. All right, y'all, and just like that, we have our face bead. I cannot make this up. As I can see, we look super luscious, super good. Face looks super set, and it looks like a professional did it, okay? I will link everything that I use down in the description box below. They're all really affordable, and I really do hope that you guys did enjoy this video. This was super duper fast, at least for me. This is specifically geared towards people with oily skin or combination skin, because I do have both, like during the winter and the summertime. So it just more so depends on like how your skin wants to wake up and feel. So like I always say, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video.